Hello, you guys. So yeah, today I hope this posts up on YouTube. I hope it does, cause today, creepy video today, and of course I can't do that, but I can still do this. Okay. So yeah, it's really wow. So I can't really look at. I can look at my gallery anyways. So today, I was actually going. What? Alright, so today I was in my room, right? This is fake. This is just fake. This is just not deleting just because. Okay, so today took a couple pictures. Creepy. Well, I won't show you guys. I mean, reason why I haven't been on Xbox TV, guys. Hopefully this posts in time. Because my darn gold ran out. So it's going to take a while to get it back. A while. Probably about a month or two. Okay, so then, maybe, hopefully not that long. I hope not that long. Okay, let me just find the pictures here. Yes, right here. Okay. So today, when I got home, I about 20 minutes later, I turned on the TV right when I got home just because I wanted to relax, you know what I mean? Have a relaxing day. And when I come home, alright, okay, when I come home, this is the first picture right here. One right here, not this one, but this one right here. It's the first one I took. The reason why I was taking pictures was because I wanted to see if I could catch anything at all, any activity. So, alright, what I want you guys to pay attention to is the TV right here. I wish I can do the gestures so you can see the TV. Look at that. Look at the TV. You see the TV, right? It's on, right? TV on, right? Alrighty, right? TV's on in the background here. TV's on the whole time. Then this creepy thing right here. The TV was never off. I was sitting on the table the whole time. Sitting on the thing. The whole entire time. And that thing right there, after I looked at the pictures right here, I really didn't know what to do. But just, I don't really know what to do, really. So yeah, and this is why I'm actually posting something, because this is getting to me here, and you guys might be able to post to me. Hopefully I can still read the posts without data a little bit, but if this even posts to YouTube, please tell me what I should do, or what it could be, or if you know what it is, please tell me, because it makes no sense at all, and it doesn't look good. Face right there, creepy face, just an odd face right there. Right, TV. How is it off? I didn't turn anything off at all. I had nothing off either. Nothing off. Okay, so then after that, this is the other picture. I wanted to take a couple more pictures here. Can't tell if the TV's off right there. I don't understand why. Right here, but you should see the glare. I wish you could, but I do remember the TV was on the whole entire time. I didn't touch it. So then after that, this is basically it. TV was on the whole time, the whole entire time. Reason why I turned on the lights and sat back down just to see it would change the coloring, because before, let me see, because before let me just see, because before it was just, there was no wait, what? Okay, okay, I didn't delete any pictures. It's just some weird stuff is going on, you guys. I didn't delete any picture. Okay, well, there was a picture I had that was weird, a weird thing in the background, like right in the hallway there, doorway there. to the right side, and it was weird. It was just weird colored. So then after that, yeah, just please tell me, because this is all from a normal camera, phone camera, and it's pretty creepy because that TV was on. This is the next picture I took. This was the, and for it to catch that at that kind of time, at that Pacific timing, without me seeing it, that was very odd. If you guys know what I mean. So yeah, but please tell me. I know this video is going on for a while. Alrighty. Thank you guys. Please help me out or tell me in the comments what you think about this, and thank you. Peace.